Tá méid sú leis an comórtas tá an cé cluthe in aici go lein, ba sé deachar ach tá méid scadamína.
Tanya's really pushing to make us fitter, faster, stronger, so yeah, I think we're going to do it this year.
Tá méid súil go mór le tús an comórtas, bé sé go hintach. Bé méid ag imirt ar naig ar chuig go múna agus tá siad go hintach agus bé sé 6 deachar ach bé sé ceart leor.
It's easier being an underdog, but it's harder being the one that's chased, so that's a new challenge that we're really looking forward to taking on.
Just we're ready to go, like we're Éireann, we're getting everything sorted, all the lineouts, scrums, every move, like we're ready to go now. We just need to get the simple things right, you know, like easy things like get off the line, make tackles, fold around the corner, like just get them basics right, and then all the rest is going to fall into place.
We just want game time, and it's been exciting building in Munster, going down to Limerick every week and seeing the young talent coming up. Everyone's going for a jersey. Our squad was cut down I think last week, so it's getting more competitive. It's going to be an important Interpros. So yeah, really looking forward to it.
We just came off the back of a long pre-season, so we're looking forward to getting a few games under our belt. It's an exciting time. You push for the people around you and those people keep you going, so we're always looking to make ourselves better, bring a better performance for our team and bring the squads together. So yeah, I really think it's down to people around you.
We're looking forward to a big crowd at home in the sports ground in Galway, so I really think we can put it up to them and show them what we've got. We've got great talent coming up and through. So although we're a younger side, we still are excited and we're ready to compete with the best there. Yeah, it's going to be a really exciting game.
I think it's really, really important for young girls coming through systems, developing players. They're going to be able to look at us on the TV and hopefully hope that they're going to make it one day.
It's brilliant. I would have dreamed to watch women's rugby back when I was younger. So it's great that TG4 are giving it the Interpros opportunity to be seen.
Bíonn rugby bio TG4.